Let's divide 218 by 2. Hey math adventurers, if you're having fun learning with me, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Alright, let's dive into our first step. We're dividing 218 by 2. We bring down the first digit, which is 2. That's our partial number. How many times does 2 fit into 2? It fits 1 time. Let's check 1 times 2 is 2. Write that down. Now we subtract 2 minus 2 equals 0. No remainder here. Awesome job, you're doing great. We have a remainder of 0, and it's time to move to the next digit. Here we go with step 2. Our remainder is 0, and we bring down the next digit, which is 1. We bring down the next digit 1 to join our remainder. Our new partial is 1. Now we ask ourselves, how many times does 2 go into 1? It doesn't fit. So we write a 0 in our quotient. 0 times 2 is 0. Subtracting 1 minus 0 gives us 1. We have a remainder of 1. You're doing fantastic. Keep that energy up. We've got a remainder of 1. Let's bring down the last digit to make it even bigger. Last step, team, we bring down the 8 next to our remainder 1. Our new partial is 18. We bring down the final digit 8. Now we have 18 to work with. How many times does 2 fit into 18? Think of your 2 times tables. It's 9. Let's check 9 times 2 is 18. Perfect. Subtract 18 from 18 and we get 0. No remainder left. Woohoo, you nailed it. That's the last step. We've divided 218 by 2 and the answer is 109 with no remainder. Great job. So 218 divided by 2 is 109. We just conquered dividing 218 by 2. Remember, breaking down big problems into smaller steps makes them super manageable. Keep practicing and you'll be a long division pro in no time. Great job today, everyone. Keep exploring and learning with more fun math videos on Let's Stud. See you next time.